Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are doing eggless custard biscuits. It's so delicious. Just look at it. It's crunchy. If you like custard creams, okay, if you're in the UK, you are going to love this. It's so good, and it's very easy to do. You can decorate it as well. Okay, it's Christmas. So guys, if you are new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Let's do this delicious biscuit. So to start, I have my butter. I've softened it up, okay, and I'm adding my sugar. Okay, I'm using brown sugar. You can use white sugar as well. I prefer using brown sugar. So I mix it nicely so that it's well combined and a bit fluffy. And the next bit is I am going to just mix the dry ingredients. It's very easy. So I have my flour and I add some corn flour and also some custard powder. Okay, yes, and I mix it nicely, and then so easy, I tell you, and you just add it to my butter and sugar. That's all that it is. It's so easy. Okay, so you add it little by little and make sure it is really combined nicely to form lovely dough. Next bit, I'm adding some milk to it. I'll put all the measurement down below in the description box for you, okay? And just form a lovely dough. That's it. It's very easy. And now I'm going to roll it out and then cut it nicely. You can cut using any shape of your choice, okay? Make sure that you put flour there before you do it, as you can see in the video, because sometimes if you don't put flour there, it's going to stick onto your surface. All right, so just follow suit. I'm just cutting it as I prefer. Okay, you can use any basic cutter of your choice. I'm using a star. It's Christmas, guys. Yeah. Okay, so come along with me. So guys, it's all done. I've got 2 trays. I'm going to put that into the oven at 170 degrees for about 18 to 20 minutes. Right guys, as you can see, it's all done. I'm cooling it. It's so delicious. It's really crunchy, and also guys, you can decorate it anyhow as you like. Okay, it can be a family fun time in baking. You can let your kids do a lot of decoration. Okay, so guys, if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, also on TikTok, on Nana's Food World. Okay, take care. Bye.